Sometimes on motorcycle tires, usually modern ones, we can see a tiny stripe like this. It looks like somebody cut our tire thread with a blade. What's it for and what it does? Surprisingly, it's quite an important part of a tire. This tiny stripe for our bike is sort of an equivalent of a conductive metallic belt or a chain on older cars and trucks. It dissipates the static electrical charge buildup. On modern road tires, we quite often have high content of silica. According to Bridgestone's website, electroconductivity of the tire rubber containing larger amounts of silica is in general low. Therefore, static electricity generated by a vehicle during driving is not easily discharged to a road surface. As a solution, rubber having high electroconductivity, conductive slit, is exposed on a thread surface in a linear shape in order to easily discharge the accumulated static electricity. The rubber of the conductive slit has a different shade of color than the other thread rubbers, so that it looks like a stripe on a thread surface. And that's pretty much it. A tiny but very important detail about modern tires. Sort of gives a perspective on how much thought and engineering goes to seemingly simple thing like a motorcycle tire.